Modern garden edging ideas that make every yard look sharp and intentional. I want to show you something. And I want you to really look at it. Take two gardens, identical plants, identical mulch, identical layout, identical everything. Now give one of them a clean, sharp, consistent edge between every garden bed and every lawn panel. Leave the other one with a soft, undefined, overgrown boundary between the two. Same garden, completely different result. One looks designed, one looks abandoned, and the only difference is that single line where the lawn meets the bed. That line is everything. Today on Modern Yard Lab, we are dedicating an entire video to getting that line exactly right. Because modern garden edging is not just a practical solution to keep grass out of your beds. It is a design statement. It is an architectural detail. It is the line that tells every person who sees your yard, this space was planned. This space was intentional. Before we start, walk out into your yard right now and look at the boundary between your lawn and your garden beds. What do you see? A clean, sharp line? A soft, undefined edge? No edge at all? Drop your honest answer in the comments. That answer tells me everything about where your yard currently sits. Let's go. Idea, Cor-Ten steel edging. The architectural gold standard. If there is one edging material that defines modern garden design more than any other right now, it is Cor-Ten steel. Also known as weathering steel, it develops a rich, warm, amber-brown rust patina naturally when exposed to weather and then stabilizes permanently. The rust is not failure, it is the finish. Cor-Ten edging comes in long, flexible strips that can be bent to follow straight lines, curves, or complex geometric shapes. It is pressed into the ground with a rubber mallet and pinned with ground stakes. No concrete, no adhesive required. That warm amber patina against dark black mulch is one of the most sophisticated color combinations in modern garden design. The thin profile creates the sharpest, most precise edge line available in any material, and it improves with age. Every year the patina deepens and settles into its final character. This is the material landscape architects specify on high-end projects around the world, and it is completely achievable as a DIY installation. Have you ever used Cor-Ten steel in your garden? Drop your experience in the comments. Idea 2. Black powder-coated aluminium edging. Modern precision. This is the edging solution for those who want the same sharp modern line as Cor-Ten, but in a permanent, consistent, maintenance-free finish. Black powder-coated aluminium edging, available in thicknesses from 3 mm to 6 mm, is UV-stable, weather-resistant, and completely consistent in color from installation day to year 20 and beyond. The color does not change. The finish does not change. The line it creates does not change. That thin, precise black line running between your dark mulch bed and your green lawn is one of the most powerful visual details in modern garden design. Clean, graphic, confident. It reads from a distance as a deliberate architectural decision. Use it to define straight geometric beds for a bold, formal look, or bend it into generous flowing curves for a softer, organic character. Either way, the consistent black finish gives it an authority that plastic or timber simply cannot match. Would you choose a straight geometric edge or a flowing curve for your garden beds? Tell me in the comments and tell me why. Idea 3. Concrete mowing strip. The invisible modern edge. This is the edging solution that the most sophisticated modern gardens often use, precisely because it disappears. A concrete mowing strip is set flush with the lawn surface, making it invisible from a standing distance, while creating a clean vertical boundary between the lawn and the bed below. The lawnmower wheel runs along the concrete surface, meaning the mower cuts right to the edge without hand trimming. The edge maintains itself simply through the act of mowing. For the most modern aesthetic, choose a charcoal pigmented concrete mix. The dark concrete against green lawn is barely visible, but the edge it creates is razor sharp. Or, go the opposite direction, use a white concrete strip against dark mulch and make the edgings itself a bold, graphic design element. The concrete mowing strip is the most permanent edging solution available. Once it is in forever. Do you currently spend time hand trimming your lawn edges after mowing? Drop your answer below, because this one solution gives you back hours every month. Idea 4. Large format natural stone edging. Raw luxury. This is the edging solution that brings the most material richness and the most genuine sense of luxury to a modern garden. Large format natural stone, bluestone, granite, sandstone, or slate, cut to a uniform width and set on edge vertically into the ground to create a bold, substantial, deeply tactile garden border. The stone sits 50 to 75 millimeters above lawn level, giving the border a presence and weight that thinner edging materials cannot achieve. The visual character of the stone is everything. Bluestone brings a cool metropolitan edge. Granite brings raw permanence. Sandstone brings warmth and texture. Slate brings a dark layered drama. Choose your stone to align with the style DNA of your garden. Then use it consistently. Same stone, same width, same depth, across every single bed on the property. Large format stone edging is the most expensive option on today's list, but it is also the most beautiful, the most durable, and the most impactful. Which natural stone resonates most with your design vision? Drop your choice in the comments, and tell me what draws you to it. Idea 5. Reclaimed hardwood sleeper edging. Warm industrial modern. This is the edging solution for those who want warmth, character, and history built into the very bones of their garden. Reclaimed hardwood railway sleepers, laid horizontally on their broad face along the boundary of your beds, create a bold, chunky, deeply satisfying border unlike any thin strip edging material. The mass and scale of the sleeper gives it a presence that simply cannot be replicated. The key word is reclaimed. Old bolt holes, oil stains, weathering patterns, all add character rather than detracting from it. Apply a single coat of dark exterior timber oil, and the reclaimed sleeper takes on a depth and richness that sits firmly in the modern design vocabulary, despite its age. The sleeper also doubles as informal seating, creating a practical horizontal surface that is simultaneously an edging element and a garden feature. Do you have access to reclaimed hardwood sleepers in your area? Drop your location in the comments and let us help the community find sources. Idea 6. Gabion wire mesh edging, industrial texture. This is the most unexpected edging solution on today's list. The one that makes people look twice and immediately want to know how it was done. Low-profile gabion wire cages, just 150 millimeters to 200 millimeter high and 150 millimeter wide, filled with a single consistent stone type and used as a continuous edging element along garden bed boundaries. A miniaturized gabion, used horizontally as an edging detail rather than vertically as a wall. Choose your stone fill deliberately. White quartz for bold contrast against dark mulch. Dark gray slate for industrial character. Warm river pebble for an organic feel. Black basalt for maximum drama. The gabion edging strip creates a wide, generous border that functions as a transition zone between lawn and bed, simultaneously edging, decorative gravel, and ground cover. On a scale of 1 to 10, how adventurous are you with unconventional garden materials? Drop your number below. If you are a 10, this is your edging solution. Idea 7. Invisible spade edge, the zero-budget modern line. This is the most democratic idea on today's entire list, because it costs nothing, absolutely nothing, and it delivers a result that rivals edging materials costing hundreds of dollars per meter. Invisible spade edge, a clean, sharp vertical cut made with a flat spade directly into the lawn along the boundary of every garden bed. No material, no installation, just a tool and a decision. The result of a freshly cut spade edge on a well-maintained lawn is extraordinary. The line it creates is as sharp as any metal edging strip. The vertical soil face catches light and shadow in a way that actually emphasizes the edge more than a physical edging material does. The technique is simple. Stand with the spade held vertically, place the blade on the line you want, apply firm downward pressure, draw along the line in overlapping cuts, remove the material. Done. How often do you currently edge your garden beds? Weekly? Monthly? Never? Drop your honest answer below. And if the answer is never, today is the day that changes. Idea 8. Brick soldier course edging, classic reimagined modern. This takes the most traditional material in garden design and makes it feel completely contemporary through color, consistency, and proportion. Standard bricks, set vertically on their narrow end in a continuous row along the boundary of garden beds. The vertical orientation gives the brick its soldier course name and its clean, upright profile. The modern transformation happens entirely through material choice. Choose a dark charcoal engineering brick, so dense it barely absorbs water. Set in a crisp straight line with the thinnest possible joint, and the result is bold, graphic, and deeply satisfying. Alternatively, choose white brick against dark mulch for maximum graphic contrast, or source a reclaimed dark blue-black brick from a demolition yard for raw industrial character combined with traditional form. Does your home's architectural style include brick? Tell me the color in the comments, because matching your garden edging brick to your home's brick is one of the most elegant material connections you can make between your architecture and your landscape. Idea 9: laser cut steel, decorative edging, edge as artwork. This is where modern garden edging transcends its practical function entirely and becomes something completely unexpected. Laser cut decorative steel edging, 3mm to 5mm thick powder-coated steel, with decorative patterns laser cut along the exposed upper edge. Botanical leaf forms, geometric repeating patterns, abstract wave forms, creating an edging strip whose upper profile is a continuous decorative artwork rather than a plain straight line. From a distance, the laser-cut pattern reads as a subtle textural detail. Up close, it reveals extraordinary precision and craft that rewards careful observation. Available in Cor-Ten steel developing its warm patina over time, or in powder-coated matte black, forest green, or warm bronze. This is edging that makes visitors crouch down and look closer. Edging that demonstrates a level of design attention that elevates the entire garden in a single detail. If you could choose any pattern, botanical leaves, geometric shapes, abstract waves, or simple perforations, which would you choose? Drop your answer below. Idea 10. The complete edging strategy. This is the most important idea on today's entire list, because it is not about a single edging material. It is about how to deploy edging as a complete yard-wide design strategy. Choose one primary edging material for every lawn-to-bed boundary across the entire property. Same material, same profile, same installation depth, everywhere. Then choose one secondary material for specific applications: the pathway edge, the driveway strip, the patio boundary. 2 materials applied consistently across the whole property. The consistency is everything. A yard where every garden bed has the same Cor-Ten steel edging reads as a single designed landscape. A yard where different beds have different edging materials reads as a collection of separate projects that never came together. And remember, the edging is not a finishing touch. It is a foundational design decision made at the very beginning, before the mulch, before the plants, before anything else. Choose your edge, commit to it, apply it everywhere, and watch what happens to your yard. Closing 9 edging materials and 1 complete yard-wide strategy. Everything you need to transform the single most overlooked detail in your garden into its most powerful design statement. Here is your action step. Walk your entire yard and photograph every bed boundary. Look at those photos honestly. Then come back and drop one word in the comments describing what you see. Sharp, soft, ragged, undefined? That one word is your starting point. And Modern Yard Lab is here every single week to help you get from that starting point to the sharp, intentional, beautifully designed outdoor space you deserve. If today's video helped you, share it with one person whose yard needs this thinking. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Thank you for being here. Now go find your edge and make it sharp. I will see you in the next one.